want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We strength.
Constitution.
Our strength.
Constitution.
Our strength.
Constitution.
We want justice.
Justice.
Our voice.
Democracy.
Our voice.
Democracy.
Our voice.
Democracy.
Our voice. Justice. We want justice.
Justice.
We want
Justice.
no silence,
Justice.
no silence.
Justice. United.
We stand,
United.
we stand,
United.
we stand. Justice,
We want
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 justice.
We stand with
Sasonam,
We stand with
Sasonam.
We stand with
Our voice,
Democracy.
our voice,
Democracy.
our voice,
Democracy.
our voice.
Dakalinti ka babha. Dakalinti ka. Bharat Mata ki
Jai,
Bharat Mata ki
Jai,
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Lingba kani ka jingyai rali jungi ngak kwa ban pin I ba hangni hari phoi kumi ki khun samla ki khna pule ngiru ngidon ya kata ka ban sim ka bashin rang ba ngin ai man sim ya phi ki para samla ba ngin ya trailang na ka benta ka ba bha jong ka de ka ri India jungi ngin ya le ban persyang kat bala ban tur sha ka thong ya ka e ka ba ngi wei pai wei ngi thmu kum haka jinglong samla khamtam haka pule puthi haka jingyo kam haka kot bat kumta ya ka jingpha jongkari baro ka wei habai dei bat kani ka paper leak ngi ngisu ba ngidu jingermen namar kal along kumba kile shiliang kani ka sarkar henry lada ngi wei pai wei ngi kum ki khun samla ngi trei ringkat bat ngin job ya kita ki jing e ki badon hakmat jungi bad lenba ka jinga trelang jungi kum ki khun jong kani ka ri India bad kum ki samla ngila ban job ya kita ki jing e bad ya kane ka paper leak ngidei ban yo justice ba nangne shakmat kanom dei shu banja ya kum kinta ki jingja ki basnusi hoi ngiru nakalyang jongka Ribhoi college but baro Ribhoi youth hi baro kawai ngiru ngikershan ya kinong yelam ki ba shakmat but I ba un resign no hi but ngin thong ya away uba bit ban bat ya kata kapus khnang ba untrei da ka sim da ka jingi but da ka jingira markelyang umdei ban ya don kata ka sim ban ya le shliang ya no ka khubor ka bangakwa ban ai sathi kalong ba tongin yai tur shakmat hadu bangin dayo ya kata kathong ka bangi ngithmu